They stopped
Oh, no,
and then
no.
the two semis.
That's the Lavera one.
Well, actually, no, they've done the two finals. On here, didn't it? The two main finals. Change the race.
Yeah, that's what happened before. We were on the semis simultaneously.
Yeah. I don't know.
It's just like constantly running now, isn't it?
Yeah, look. I haven't got a clue. I can give the card, get a teams or something. I am.
Hand it on, yeah. Sorry, just.
Oh, yeah. You give like a kind of the clubs like the 5 beds.
So the back, there's a pub around that pictures.
Yeah.
And there's one seat. There's a couple of pictures. So there's one.
Oh, I do know actually.
Yeah.
I know the shop I don't know how he did it, but I don't know why. So, lots of times he stops.
Yeah, that's like that one. Yeah. This will be the pitch now.
Keep on, yeah. Yeah, no problem. You'll take it up. It's coming down.
drwodd i rownd gyrdenfynol yr cwpan cystadleuaeth y bechgyn. So in the boys' cup semi-final, ar cae rhif 1 o pitch number 1 fydd Coleg Nedd yn erbyn Ystalafera. Ar cae rhif 2, pitch number 2 fydd Eglwys Newydd Whitchurch yn erbyn Ysgol Gyfun y Gwyr. Ar cae rhif 3, pitch number 3, Coleg Caerdydd ar Fro, Cardiff na Vale College yn erbyn Coleg Sir Gaer. Ac ar cae rhif 4, pitch number 4 fydd Ysgol Glan Taf yn erbyn Coleg Gwyr Abertawe. Ymddiheuriadau gemau chwarteriad hyn a they were the quarter-finals for the plates. Ar gyfer y cwpan.
You'd be pleased to know I got rid of my ball.
Get your ball in.
I went all the way, no I didn't, I just got it. If I could, I'd be pressing.
Felly i gadarnhau yn gystadleuaeth chwarteri cwpan y bechgyn in the boys semi-final for the cup, quarter-final for the cup. Ar cae rhif 1, pitch number 1, Coleg Nedd Neath College yn erbyn Ystalafera. Cae 2, pitch number 2, Eglwys Newydd Whitchurch yn erbyn Ysgol Gyfun y Gwyr. Cae rhif 3, pitch number 3, Coleg Caerdydd ar Fro, Cardiff and the Vale College yn erbyn Sir Gaer. Cae 4, pitch number 4, Glan Taf yn erbyn Coleg Gwyr Abertawe. Yn gystadleuaeth cwpan chwarteri y bechgyn, the quarter-finals of the boys' competition.
Who have I got? Hey, Matt, can I borrow your coin a sec? It's alright, I'll give it back to you. Mine's got it to
That's okay, I'll come over.
Don't lose that one as well.
I've got...
Started with a pound and down to 5.
Right, that's the next round. The final. Go, 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 go.
that still in?
On with the bunny.
Jamie.
Then I thought Swivel just WIU phone. Be like, yeah.
Hiya. What game of time are all very popular connected round?
Let's see what he found.
Okay, just stop there. But I was stop how that night again. Yeah, right. Not going to run. I hear it.
I was like, let's see, everybody comes out, don't park there. Leave them to you. And then,
yeah, that was it.
so, car park, the ticket, very Martin Square.
Tommy Joe. Noni come after Moni Neves and he just checked over the rest. Noni well. Lovely deal. Tommy Joe.
Nuts. We've been at the boys' final in tennis. Oh, Tom. What's happening on that?
Yeah, Bill. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, you know, so I'm not having been out for any party. Yeah, Bill.
Living the Viva Loca. I hope it actually gets to the point where you go.
Pointed. 50 nil win.
Or was it just a win? No. It doesn't matter, points doesn't matter. It's not group stage yet. He's off. Oh, he was going to go to his pocket then. Wedyn mynd i'r boced wedyn. Anlwcus 21. Good steal. Oh, eistedd. Oh, that's not the
Belt. Yellow that.
I ain't got it in my pocket, so you can't see it.
How many have you given out today? There's 4 yellow cards in one game.
4 in one game and then a red card.
4? Oh, that woman,
Looking
yeah,
for a
that girl.
Yeah, no, that's what I said 4. I didn't, that's what
Yeah, 2v1s every time. Up and outside shoulder, up and outside shoulder.